Hi and welcome back to Monkey Roo. Today we're going to strip these shocks for the st70. They're pretty much the same as a C50 or a C70 of the early stuff. It's pretty straightforward. So all we used to do is put it in the vise, and what you're doing, you pull it down. Bit of a struggle, but thanks to my buddy Minibike Mike, he sent me some merch from over the States. Sent me this tool that he's made. I've had it zinc plated. Wow, how much easier it is now. Put your sticker on there, buddy, to let people know it's yours. So I say in future what I'm going to do is bolt it to the bench, but for today's purposes we'll just put it in the vise. And this tool has been a godsend. So we're not getting any younger. Well, not anyway. So all you do, bolt it in there. Okay, and Mike, I know what you mean now about the putting some padding on this bit here for when they're painted. So I'll do that when I get these put back freshly powder coated. So all I'm doing now is pull this down like that, and that locks into place like so, exposing the top. So all you do now is you get your spanner nice and tight on there, and then how easy it is now. Wow, that comes off, and then a bit stiff that. Maybe I might need to get the Mo grips on the shaft. So these have probably never been off since they were put on in the 70s, or maybe even before then. All you do, simple as that. You'll say it's just got like a nut or something, you know, on the top with the, and then let's let that go, and then take the pressure off. There you go. And what you've got then inside is the spring. Take the collar off, which I'll get all these cleaned up now. So let's quickly do the other one while we've got it set up. It's such a godsend now, so easy, whereas before I used to dread doing these, to be honest with you. Putting them back on is quite easy, but taking them apart for the first time was a bit of a challenge. So same again, put that in there, pull that down, put my fingers out the way like so, pull that up, spanner again like that. There you go. Top comes off. Let's turn now. What I'll have to do again, just get the molies under there like so, just to hold the shaft, and then simple as that. Same thing again, it's never been off this. So that's brilliant. Thanks again, Mike, do appreciate that, buddy. And say I've got your sticker on it, mate. So thanks for watching, see you on the next one. Ta-da.